Greetings to everyone who are doing grade 11 pure maths. We're just going to answer this question paper, which is for June exam paper 1. Then the first question, it says we must determine the following without using the calculator. So since when we are having this question, remember that we are going to break all the numbers into a prime factors. So we're going to start with this 12, which is going to be 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. Outside we have x minus 2. Multiply by 2 to the power of x plus 2. Divided by, from there now we are going to break also 8. Remember, 8 as you break it into prime factors, you are going to have 2 to the power of 3. Then we have x outside. So is it possible to break 3? No, it is not possible. Since when it is not possible, that means you write the way it is. And from then now, what we're going to do, we apply law number 3, whereby it says whenever you raise a power to n exponent, remember to multiply the exponent. So which is we are going to have 3 to the power of x minus 2 multiplied by 2. Therefore, 2 multiplied by x is 2x, 2 multiplied by negative 2, it's negative 4. Multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 2 divided by 2. Then 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Multiplied by 3 to the power of x. From there, guys, we know that law number 1, it says always whenever we multiply the same base, we must add the exponents. So meaning we are having 3 to the power of x plus minus 2. Therefore, and 2 to the power of 2x. So now we're also having this x plus x minus 4 plus 2. Divided by 2 to the power of 3x multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 1. So from there, what is going to happen? We know that we are going to have 3 to the power. When we divide the same base, we subtract the exponent. So meaning it's going to be 3 to the power of x minus 2 minus. So it is very important to make the brackets in order so that this negative can affect everything that is inside of the bracket. So this is x minus 1. And 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 minus, then we have this 3x. Then now we are going to simplify. Remember that we are having negative 1. Negative multiplied by x will give you negative x. Negative multiplied by negative will give you positive 1. And 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 minus 3x. So they cancel. As well as they cancel this side, you are going to have 3 to the power of negative 1 cos negative 2. So okay guys, we still continue with this question. This is how we simplify, so let us continue. Then now we are going to have also 2 to the power of negative 2. Then now when we get this question, we know that according to the laws of exponent, this number will be divided by the other number, which is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2. So as we use the calculator, you're going to get 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 4, which is going to be 1 divided by 12. Then this is how we get the answer with people. Right, this is how we get the answers. So we are going to move to the second question. We are going to move to the second question, guys. So please make sure that you bear with me. This is for grade 11 pure maths junior exam. Okay, now 1.1.2. Remember, you are told without using the calculator. So this is 3 square root of 3 open bracket and 3 plus square root of 6, then plus bracket minus square root of 15 minus 3 open bracket 3 to the power of 0 divided by square root of 8. So now this is the question that we have. So this question, as they said, without using the calculator, guys, I'm trying to show you what we can do in order to simplify this question. And meaning we can do what? We can multiply the brackets by the brackets. So, as well as we are going to multiply brackets by brackets, we can multiply brackets by brackets, which is going to be, we are going to have, as we multiply brackets by brackets, therefore, we are going to have 3 and this one will give you square root of 18. Then the other thing we are going to simplify the other question here as we simplify it, meaning for you to get for you to get 50, it's 2 multiplied by 25. Therefore minus 3, then any number to the power of 0 is 1 divided by square root of square root of 2 times 4. Then from there, what we're gonna do, this is 3 multiplied by, so we break this one, which is it's 9 multiplied by 2, then minus square root of 2 and multiplied by square root of 25 minus 3 divided by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 4. From there, what we're going to get, this 3 will cancel the other 3. Then what will happen, we're going to have square root of 9, remember, is the same as 3. Then square root of 2 will remain as the same. From there, now we have also square root of 5, it's 20. It's 5. Then square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2. So from there now you can subtract here, you're going to get negative square root of 2 divided by 2 and square root of 2. So your answer is going to be negative 1. Your answer is going to be negative 1. This is how we do it, guys. So we're going to the second question. So the second question, either I can see very well. The second question, it's all about simplifying, meaning we need to simplify. I'm going to erase this equation. Okay, this is the second question. Let us check the second question if it's clear. The second question, it says given we have 2 to the power of x. So let me write it down on the board so that you can see the people. Okay, so 1.2, they are saying given. So what we're given actually, we are given 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 equals to negative 5y plus 10. So now, in this question, they are saying express 2 to the power of x in terms of y. Express 2 to the power of x in terms of y. This is 1.2.1. Okay? So now, since when they want us to express 2 to the power of x in terms of y, we are going to have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 equals to negative 5y plus 10. Then from there, can we see that we have what? We have the exponential equation on this side. We're going to have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x and multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, meaning we're going to separate them. You must remember that the law number 1 says we always want to divide the same base, we separate. We multiply, we add the exponent plus share. Therefore, now we are going to take out the common factor, which is 2 to the power of x. In brackets, it's 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 equals negative 5y plus 10. Then what will happen from there? Now, as you combine the brackets, as you simplify the brackets, you are going to have 5 equals negative 5y plus 10. Now you divide by 5 both sides. As you divide by 5, you're going to have 2 to the power of x equals to negative y and plus 2. So this is how you get this question, my people. It's not too much difficult, but this is how you get it, that question. Then we are going to move on to the other questions, which is now they want you to solve for y. hence solve for x if y equals to, okay, then 1.2, they are saying 1.2.2, they are saying if y equals to, uh, 15 divided by 8, then we must solve for what? We must solve for x. We have to get the value of x. We have to solve for x because of now we know that, okay? Let me check now. Meaning we're going to have 2 to the power of x equals to, when we see y, that means it will be negative 15 divided by 8 plus 2. Then from there what we do, remember that we multiply by NCD, both sides, which is as we multiply by 80 and by 80, therefore you're going to have 80 and 2 to the power of x equals to negative 15, then plus 60. So now you simplify these two numbers, 80 multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals to negative, which means will give you positive 1. We divide by 80 both sides. As we divide by 8 both sides, we're going to have 2 to the power of x equals to 1 divided by 80. From there, what you do, because you are simplifying or because of your solving exponential equation, remember that you must make the base same. So which is, it will be 2 to the power of x equals to 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, 2 to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of negative 3. When it goes up, it means it becomes positive. X equals negative 3. So this is how we do it, guys. That is how we do it, that question. This is how we do it, that question, guys. This is how we do it. So now we are going to move to the question